Ciao, I'm Pier Mattia Avesani and I am the CEO of Uqido. I founded Uqido 12 years ago with a mission, creating the best possible international team to make complexity simple. We are passionate about solving businesses' problems, creating new digital tools. Right now, we have four vertical departments. The computer vision and machine learning department focused on detecting features and objects in images and videos. The Internet of Things department to create smart objects and their softwares. The ERPs department to manage internal and external processes. And the third one is the extended reality department to create virtual and augmented reality softwares. Nowadays, a company needs to listen to internal and external needs, design new digital tools, develop them, and release them on the market. After that, the company needs to test and collect the results in order to validate the initial statements and iterate with improvements on the digital tools. That's a huge amount of effort that requires the right culture in the company and the right tools to be completed. Our departments can help customers creating their own digital services and tools, such as smartphone applications, artificial intelligence algorithms, or custom ERPs built on their needs. Uqido basically offers the firepower of its highly skilled international team to design and build together with its customers the digital tools for their future.